From flat, grooved cardboard to premium luxury packaging, Kylin Machine Company introduces the KY-T28 rigid box maker. Say goodbye to traditional four-corner taping machines. Just place the flat, grooved cardboard onto the surface paper. Our machine folds and wraps it seamlessly, creating stunning drawer boxes and perfume boxes with ease. Watch this precision from another angle. The edges are crisp and flawless. The best part? No bubble pressing is required, even for large 400mm boxes. Running at a steady 10 to 20 pieces per minute. Operating in semi-automatic mode for ultimate production flexibility. Perfect for quick changeovers and high-mix packaging orders. Need higher volume? The KY-T28 also offers a fully automatic mode. Experience true hands-free manufacturing with automated positioning. Slashing labor costs while maintaining perfect accuracy. From a mini 35mm to a massive 400mm, automation has never been this versatile. No corner taping, no bubble pressing, just pure, high-speed efficiency. Revolutionize your factory floor with Kylin Machine Company.